Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to get the nightingale armor. So after you finish the quest on breaking into Martha's home and getting the children, that was my last video. So this is what you do. They tell you to meet them by Nightingale Hall by the standing stone. Oh, if you don't know what the shadow stone is, then it can turn you invisible for 60 seconds. So if you're interested in that, I recommend getting it. So this is what you do. Just show Carlisle, this girl with the nightingale bow, will tell you to follow her and burn y'all. So just keep on doing this. Okay, and you see how it said activate the armor stone.
Activate the armor stone.
And so you just go on this bridge, and you see this, and you'll see this stone. And then just press it, and then you'll get all the armor.
And now look how much stuff.
Yeah, so I'm carrying too much to run, so I'm going to drop this orcish bow and this long bow and these 2 silver swords because I do not need them. So what I do, and then you have to equip it, but this is not a guide on the quest line, so I'll see you later.
Bye! Yeah.